2, 3. You said it a minute ago. Go ahead. 2, 3.
Damn.
Now, big kick for Trevor. Go. Good job. Go, 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 go. Out of the way, Trevor. High five, buddy. Hey, Gavin, good pass. Good pass. Good job, Trevor. Nice.
Andy's back in the field, baby.
Turn it around,
Became
Gav. Turn it
obsession
around.
with me until I realized that there was nothing
Good job,
within him,
Trevor. Big
neither
kick.
conscience
Good.
nor reason that wasn't even remotely human. I am talking about the real
Hands up, go.
possibility that
Big
he
kick.
is still out there.
Good job. All right. Good pass, Hagen. Good kick. Go. Good job. Let's do it again, Gav. Go. Good job. Get him in, get him in, get him in. Out of the way, Trevor. Big kick, Trevor. Go, go, go. Nice. Good job, Trevor. Good job. Out of the way, Marin. Good pass, Gav. Nice. Trevor. Go. Back right, Trevor. Good job. Oh, nice try. Good job. Let's go, Hagen. Keep on after it. Keep on after it. Big kick. Big kick. Good job, Hagen. Here you go, Trevor. Hagen, good job. Defense, offense, and out of it.
There was nothing within him, neither conscience nor reason that wasn't even remotely human. I am talking about the real possibility that he is still out there.
Look at the end of the game. Look at it. Thunderbolt! Turn it around. Go, Cooper, go! Good pass, good pass. All right, Thunderbolts. Come here, guys. Good pass, Cooper. Good job, nice. Sure. Go, Gav, go, go, go. Out of the way, Cooper. Stay with it, Cooper. Good job, Cooper. All the way, Cooper. Good job, Cooper. Yes. Go, 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 go! Out of the way, Cooper. Stay with it, Cooper. Good job, Cooper. All the way, Cooper. Good job, Cooper. Yes. Nicely done, Cooper. I like it. Come here, Gav. Gavin. Gav, come on. High five, high five, high five. Hey, they're trying to give you a high five. All right, come here, Thunderbolts. 2, 3. You said it a minute ago. Go ahead. 2, 3. Thunderbolts!